Barricade's 3-inch curved round side step bars are for the 2009 to 14 F150 owner that are looking for one of the most affordable, simple, and OEM-like side step bars we currently offer to make stepping into your truck easier and safer. With the texturized rubber pieces on each step, you and your passengers will have peace of mind in all weather conditions once installed. These bars' curved style and black finish will give off that factory-like appearance, and with a bolt-on design that has no drilling or cutting required, I'll be giving this install 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, and expect it to take about an hour to complete. These bars are easily one of our most affordable options currently available, but they also look a little nicer than some of the other options in my opinion. That's because each bar curves around the doors of your truck and the truck's underneath your cab for a sleek and tight fit that'll look like it was installed from the factory. This design will also help protect against those dreaded door dings and all the debris getting kicked up. The bar itself is made from a heavy-duty 3-inch diameter stainless steel tubing for better strength and durability. Each bar can withstand the weight of 2 people. The stainless steel is also powder-coated in a gloss black finish for additional lasting corrosion and rust resistance. The gloss powder coat is a great option compared to your typical matte finishes, which I think add a little bit more style. If you wanted to go with something flashier like chrome or polished steel, you'll be able to find that on the site as well. We also have steps in all different sizes like single steps if you're looking for assistance on just one side or just something a little bit smaller. Now just south of $100 is a great price for this step, and it's the most affordable step we offer in this size for your 09 to 14 F-150. You could still save some cash if you go with one of the single steps that provides coverage for just 1 or 2 of the doors. Switching gears to the install. This is a bolt-on design with no permanent modification to your truck needed. I'll be giving this 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter and expect an install time of about an hour. The only tools you'll need are a ratchet and socket set, an Allen wrench set, and a hex pick set. Now I'm going to hand it over to one of our installers who are going to show you the best ways to get this installed.
I'm going to start by removing the bolts on this bracket that secure the side step to the vehicle. Remove your upper hardware and the side step should come off the vehicle. Next, I'm going to remove these 8mm fender bolts down at the bottom of the driver's side fender and remove the J-clips. All right, so using the provided bracket and the 8mm by 30mm hardware, install the bracket into the previously removed bolt holes. With the bolt and nut plate installed in the body, install the provided support bracket for the front side step bracket. Finally, for this bracket, install the 10mm by 35mm bolt into the open bolt hole in the nut and bolt plate. Finally, you're going to install the support bar from the upper bracket to the lower bracket in the front using the provided hardware. In the rear, we're going to install the wing bolt into the openings in the body. Once that's installed, put a plastic retaining washer over the bolt to keep it in place. Install the 10mm by 35mm bolt in the opening in the back of the cab by the pinch weld. Once this is installed, you can install the rear bracket for the side step and attach it with the provided hardware. Now we're going to move the side step into place and loosely install the hardware. Move up to the front and loosely install the hardware into place. Now with everything installed, you can start tightening your bolts.
That's my review on Barricade's 3-inch round side step bars. Check these out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.